Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to edit and fix Wix mobile mode. So, if your Wix website looks fine on desktop but breaks on mobile, you're not alone. Wix gives you a separate mobile editor to fix layout, spacing and elements, so let's go step by step. Go to your Wix dashboard, click on select and edit site. It will take you to another page where you'll have to click on edit site button at the top right and you'll be taken to your Wix website editor. Here, you'll have to drag and drop elements to adjust their position. So, you will see a small mobile icon first at the top left. So you will see desktop icon and mobile icon. Click on mobile icon and you'll be instantly switched to the mobile view of your Wix website. So here, you'll have to drag and drop elements to adjust their position. You can use the hide on mobile option to remove unnecessary desktop elements. Select any element and choose hide element, and this will hide any unwanted elements on Wix mobile. You can also drag and adjust any kind of element that you want. Now, you can resize images, text boxes and containers to fix the mobile screen. Click on any element and use the mobile settings panel to tweak padding, alignment and spacing. Enable the quick action bar to add call, email and social media buttons for better UX. Now, click preview to check how your site looks on phone. Click on the preview button at the top and it will show up. You can test buttons, sliders and scroll to ensure everything works smoothly. And once you're happy with the mobile layout, hit publish to make the changes live. And that's it. You have successfully edited and fixed your Wix website for mobile users. For more tutorials, hit the like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And I will see you in the next one.